I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have an excellent question based on logarithms. We'll understand how do we apply change of base to solve very tricky questions. If log to the base a of b of a divided by log to the base c of a equals to 13 over 57 and b over c is c over d, find d. So let me rewrite the question slightly bigger. It is log to the base b of a divided by log to the base c of a. That is given to us as 13 over 57. We are also given that, I write it here, b over c is equal to c to the power of b. And the question is, what is the value of d? So the question is absolutely clear. Now, to solve this question, we should begin with change of base, right? We see log to the base b of a and log to the base c of a. We could write both as the base of a, right? In that case, I could write this as a reciprocal function, right? So some of you may know, otherwise let me rewrite the whole expression as changing the base, right? So we have log to the base a of a over log to the base a of b. So that is the numerator, divided by log to the base a of c divided by log to the base a of a of c. Now clearly you see here that the numerators cancel. We have now the expression which is log to the base. This comes in the numerator, right? A of c equals to log to the base a of b. And this is given to us as equal to 13 over 57. Makes sense? Perfect. So we have now an expression which is to the base a, right? And this also we get log to the base a of c over log to the base a of b. Now this also can be written as change of base, correct? How can you write this? Well, both are to the base a. You can now change the base to b also, right? So let's change the base to b now. So if I change the base to b, what happens to the left hand side? So now see, what I'm going to do is change base to b. So the numerator can be written as log to the base b of c over log to the base b of a, and the denominator can be written as log to the base b of b over log to the base b of a, right? So here you see that log to the base b of a and this cancels, right? And log base b of b is 1, and therefore this is equal to log to the base b of c, right? So that should be equal to 13 over 57. Does that make sense? You understand? So what we have done is we have again applied the change of base formula and then got an expression. Now from this expression we can write what c is, right? So from here we can write that c is basically equal to b to the power of 13 over 57, right? So that becomes the value of c, but we are actually interested in finding b over c, right? So, and then we are also looking into exponent of c. So what is b equals to? Well, from here we can write that b is equal to c to the power of 57 over 13. Does that make sense? Correct? So let's move on a new page, and we should write b equals to 57 over b equals to c to the power of 57 over 13, right? So that is what we get. Now, basically, we are given that b over c is equal to c over d, and we need to find the value of d. So let me divide both sides by c. Make sense? So if I divide both sides by c, I do get b over c, and that is equal to c to the power of 57 over 13 minus 1, which is c to the power of 57 minus 13 over 13, right? So now we can simplify this and write it as c to the power of 44 over 13. Make sense? You can compare b to the power of c equals to c to the power of d with c to the power of 44 over 13 and get your answer, which is what? D is equal to 44 over 13, correct? So that is how you could do it. So I hope that helps you to understand the strategy adopted for solving such a question. Basically, we changed the base twice in this particular case, once to a and then to b, and then we equated our expressions. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. In case you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. You can always send an email to my address given here and learn directly from me. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.